Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be coloring my hair using the brand Age Beautiful from Sally's, and we're going to do the color 3B. I have no idea if this is just straight up blue. It's called Darkest Blue, and I have no idea if it's blue black, which I did purchase blue black. So I have no idea what this color is supposed to consist. 1B in blue black, and this is darkest blue, so I have no clue if this is just straight up blue. I ordered them online, so I don't know what it is. They didn't really have like a good color like swatch thing, so I was just like, okay. I was just intrigued because it says darkest blue, so I have no idea if it's just straight blue or if it's black. It says basically the same exact thing that this says, so it's not like it's an additive or anything. So I don't know, we'll just see what it's like. I've used this brand before, and I think it was called Black Plum, and oh my god, it was the most gorgeous color ever. It looked black, but when you were in the sun, it was like this brilliant purple. It was insane. And of course, every time it washed out, it got more and more intense purple, which is crazy. And I loved it. But then, like, you know, after about like a month, the purple faded and you couldn't see it anymore. So I'm really hoping that this does it with the blue, since I've tried it with the purple or the black plum. So yeah, we'll see. All right, so what you get in the box, you get your color and your instructions, which are super easy to follow. And the ratio is 1:1. So if you're gonna get 2 fluid ounces of color, you're gonna do 2 fluid ounces of developer. So I'm not really sure I'm gonna need both bottles, but I'm gonna use them anyways, so we will see. I'm kind of tempted to do just 1 bottle of this and 1 bottle of the actual blue black, just in case if this is not even something that is what I'm looking for. But you know, we'll just roll with it. See what this does. And you know what, if it's not a blue black and it's just straight up blue, then you know, we'll learn our lesson. So I'm just gonna part my hair. Okay, so I'm going in with a 20 volume developer from Ion. I'm gonna just fill this up to 4 ounces, since we have to double everything, since we're using two bottles. Definitely intrigued to see what this looks like, and to see if it's actually a blue or if it's like a blue black and it's just bluer than the blue black. So we'll see. We'll see what it's like. Because I mean, the color when I'm putting it in does not look blue at all. It's tan. So, I mean, we'll see. So if you're not familiar with the way that I color my hair, I like to use a brush and bowl, obviously, and I like to go all the way around my head, and then I will start with the bottom first and then the top, and I like to do the roots first. So I'll go in and do roots, and then I will go in and do the rest of my hair. that is blue. Okay, so I like to use the leftover color and just put it all in my hair because I don't like wasting it. So I like to make sure that my whole head is covered completely. And make sure that I didn't miss any spot. So I am done, and it's really blue. So we'll see what it looks like and see if my hair turns out blue or not. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it in for 30 minutes, and I'll let you know what it looks like when it's done. All right. Hey guys, I am back. Okay, so overall the color is amazing. It is hard to get off your skin. As you can see, it stains really badly. Like, you're gonna have to scrub your tub. I had to scrub mine. It did stain some areas, so just beware of that. It is really blue. I really like it. As you can, I don't know if you can see the blue, but to me, it looks really good. I wish it was sunny so I can see like what it really looks like, because I know when I did the black plum, I had so much purple, like a purple halo, and it looked gorgeous. And it was phenomenal. I loved it. So I don't know if that's gonna do the same effect since it's the same brand, and all that, but we'll see. It's kind of gloomy and gross outside, so I can't really get a good idea on that, but it is blue. I mean, we'll see what it looks like or compared to the actual blue black, since this is the darkest blue, and I wanted to see what it was like, and I didn't know if it was actually like blue or if it was considered a blue black. And to me, it looks blue black. My roots are not more intense blue than like the rest of my hair. It all blends in very nicely, and like, can you see the blue? It's really good. I like it. I'll definitely be repurchasing this again because I really like that. Yeah, it's so pretty. My hair feels amazing. It didn't burn my scalp. It didn't have an overpowering scent at all. It kind of smells like blueberries, but I'm not sure if that's just because the developer was the ion sensitive scalp. So I'm not 100% sure if it's the color or the developer that smells that good, but my hair still smells like it. I can't stop touching it. It just looks so good. I really hope the camera's picking up all the blue, but it looks amazing. And it looks really good in like all the lighting. Like in my bathroom yesterday, because it was warm lighting, I walk in there and I was like, whoa, that's so intense. It's so blue. And then just like natural lighting, if I look in the mirror in my other bathroom, it's just as intense. And then I turn the light on and it's more of like an LED bright light in that bathroom, and it makes my hair look so dark but still so blue that you can tell that it's blue, but it still looks like jet black. So it's really cool to see in different lighting. I would love to see what it looks like in the sun. I want to know if it has like that really gorgeous blue halo. I would love to see that. But overall, I don't hate this color. I definitely would go back to it. I will definitely be comparing it to the blue black and see what the difference is. I think this one might just be bluer and have more of an intense blue to it compared to the blue black because it's mixed. So we'll see. I mean, this looks just like a blue black, and it's definitely got an intense blue, and I really like that. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it gives someone some insight on color, and I really hope that me doing these videos help someone who is trying to figure out what color to do and if it's the right color for them. And if there's any other brands that you want me to try, I will try and find it, and especially in either black or blue black. I'm not gonna do anything crazy in different colors. I'm not gonna change my hair up at all. So yeah, if there's a brand that I missed or have not tried yet, just leave me a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Bye guys.